Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel your diesel car. First, find your vehicle's fuel flap, which is often on the rear left or right side. Before opening it, make sure your engine is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. This is a crucial safety step. Next, at the pump, look for the nozzle clearly marked diesel. These are typically colored green or sometimes black, distinct from gasoline nozzles. Choosing the right fuel is absolutely critical for a diesel engine. Always double-check the label inside your fuel flap or on the cap itself. It will explicitly state diesel. At the station, diesel pumps are clearly labeled, often with terms like diesel or gas oil, and sometimes a grade number. Accidentally putting gasoline into a diesel engine can lead to extremely expensive repairs, potentially costing thousands of dollars, so be very careful. Once you've confirmed it's diesel, insert the nozzle completely into your car's fuel tank opening. Make sure it's seated firmly to prevent any spills. Then, gently squeeze the pump handle to start the flow of fuel. You'll hear the fuel going into the tank. The pump is designed to automatically click off when your tank is full, so there's no need to try and overfill it. Just wait for that click. After the nozzle clicks off, carefully remove it from your tank. Replace the fuel cap, twisting it until you hear a click or two, ensuring it's sealed tightly to prevent any fuel evaporation or spills. Return the nozzle to its holder on the pump, and then head inside or use the card reader to complete your payment. For long-term engine health, consider adding a quality diesel fuel additive every few thousand miles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.